So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a star with one piece of paper and your scissors. So I got my paper. I use an 8.5 by 11 sheet right here. Maybe turn this thing down a little bit so you can kind of see a little better what I'm doing. Okay, so there's the sheet of paper, and we've got our scissors. There's my scissors. Be careful with your scissors. So we're going to get our paper. I'm going to turn around this way and show you. You're going to fold it like a book. Now, let me do it really fast once, and I'll do it slow with you kids. So I'm going to fold it all up. It's going to look really fast when I do it, but then we'll do it slow together. But I want to show you what the result is going to be. So it kind of looks like an ice cream cone or short tie or a nice new jet or rocket. Woohoo! With one snip of a pair of scissors cutting diagonally across. Being careful not to cut your fingers off. Ouch! You get a nice little, I put a star. What do you think, Sarah?
That's amazing. I had no idea.
Okay, Sarah, you're a star. Here, I'm virtually handing it to you.
Thank you.
I am a negative star. And you can use this actually as a stencil for something. So this is the star, and you know, it would be fun if you drew a big Christmas tree or something. You could put that on the top of your Christmas tree, or you could make a whole bunch of these as decorations for maybe a wall, or maybe you make them and hang them on your tree yourself. Maybe you color them, you know, and put a little, you know, Christmas tree hook on them and hang them on your tree with your little drawings on them. So let's fold our piece of paper in half like a book. Okay, that's probably the easiest part. And it's going to open to the right, to your right. So parents, if you could help your kids with this one, if they're having a tough time, you might want to help them. Now, let me explain something. When I first did this, it took me 7 tries to get it right.
Okay.
I teach kindergarten kids how to do this. They usually get it in 1 try. I don't know what that says about me. So anyway, you're going to get the lower left corner. You're going to bring it up to the top, and I'm going to pinch it right here. That's actually going to be the point at the bottom. So don't crease it across. Don't crease this. What you're going to do is you're going to keep that point right where it is. And then this is going to roll over. And imagine, okay, so here's the point. Imagine that point is aiming about halfway across the top. So it's like an arrow pointing to the top. Now, if it's too far this way, it won't work. If it's too far this way, it won't work. It has to be, I don't know if you can see that, aiming about halfway across the top. Then what you're going to do is you're going to fold this one against that, right up against that edge. I know this might be a little difficult to follow, but maybe later on, Sarah, I'll make some written instructions, and you guys can post them on your page.
That would be wonderful. Yeah.
Then this lower part, and I'm going to fold it across here. It may not be perfect. Mine wasn't perfect the first time I did it. So again, you get it, bring it up, bring it over, fold this one against there, fold this one against there. Now I'm going to get my marker, and I'm going to show you where I cut. I'll make a nice big black line on this paper so you can see it. So don't cut it this way. Don't make it too skinny. Make it kind of like that. You see that line? Okay. And then get out your scissors. And everybody's going to do a drum roll for Sarah. We're going to cut across. And then, Sarah, I want you to, show yours. I want you to hold it up and show yours.
Okay, but I couldn't find scissors fast enough, so I ripped mine.
You ripped yours?
Yeah.
It's not as pointy as it should, but it'll be a chubby star.
Okay.
It'll be a really chubby star.
Okay.
So there's mine again.
I think I need scissors.
Hold it up. Yeah, it's a sand dollar.
It is a sand dollar. That's a great sand dollar, if I do say so myself.
Scissors are amazing. Sarah, can you send you a pair of scissors?
Drew, can you go get me a pair of scissors and bring them to me? He's watching in another room. Okay.
So I wonder, did anybody get one made? Any of you folks out there? And
I had closed the chat, so I just opened it again. Aha, my scissor deliverer. Okay, I'll try this again. Yep.
All right, so we're going to do it again because Sarah needs to do it. All right, we're going to try again. I'll do it again slowly. Okay, fold it in half. Like I said, it might take a couple times. I see a lot of people saying, yes, we did it. Yes. Yay.
It's okay. I see some frowny faces. I didn't get it either. We'll try it again.
Okay, so it's folded in half.
Okay.
We're going to bring this one up here. And I'm going to pinch it where the point is going to be on the bottom. Just pinch it. Don't crease it. We get a long star. That's okay. Then I'm going to keep that point right where it is. I'm going to kind of slide this over, keeping that point right where it is. And just so I can make the edge so that everybody can see, I'm going to put a little black line on the edge here.
Oh, yeah, that's helpful. Okay.
Yeah, I'm going to make a black line here so everybody can see the edge of the paper. Because I know it's the white is kind of hard to see on the video. All right, so you got this. Now I'm going to go like this. Can you see it better now?
Yes. Okay, well, that's where I got hung up last time, too.
This is going to aim, the point of this is going to aim about halfway across. And this is that's the toughest part of the fold to do.
Okay.
You want to make it more pointy, you cut it more skinny. Okay, then we're going to fold this against the edge there.
And does that fold in the front or the back? In front.
It can fold in the front. It can fold in the back too, but you want to fold it up against that edge because that's more accurate if you fold it against that edge.
Okay.
And then, okay, so there's this edge right here. Getting marker all over me. It's an occupational hazard. And then hold that against that like that.
Okay.
How you doing, Sarah?
I think I'm doing good. I think I saw where I made a mistake last time. Okay.
Well, you chewed it. That's why instead of cutting it.
That was one of them. That was one of the mistakes.
All right. So then this, if you want to make the skinny star, it's like this way. If you want to make a chubby star, it's this way. But you want to kind of make.
Oh. Okay, that was my other mistake. All right.
Let's see how Sarah's doing with hers. And drum roll across the world, please.
Okay, I do need a drum roll, kiddos. All right, let's see here. I think I might have gotten it. Woohoo!
Yeah, see? You did it.